on my way to Mandeville to meet Jesse at the North Shore Causeway. He's going to stake out some of the locations I normally take photographs from. And we're going to get very good GPS locations for each of the different locations that I typically go to. We also have access to some higher vantage points today, so I'm going to try and take some photography higher up, hopefully be able to see a little bit further over the top of that arm that normally sticks out. We have some really good seeing conditions today on the South Shore. The North Shore has good conditions too, not quite as good as the South Shore. I'm hoping that we'll be able to see the Marriott during the day, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to see the Marriott later this evening. We're planning on coming back and taking some night shots from the North Shore. So from the South Shore, I'm going to basically do the normal routine, and Jesse's going to give me some really good locations for the different places that I go, so that I can go back and repeat it from those same exact locations, and we'll be able to, you know, get some really good repeatable data that we can analyze in the future. So that's what's happening today. Recap on the Little Tensas Bayou experiment. It went really well. I was a little bit disappointed in the weather at night. It led to some blurry pictures, more blurry than I would like them to be, but they were still pretty good. I mean, they were still good enough. Obviously, I was disappointed because they're not artistic quality, but they're definitely science quality. So yeah, we got some good results. I shared some on Twitter, and we'll be having follow-up hangouts once Jesse has time to analyze his data, and we'll definitely be following up on this. He's got a lot of good data. I've got a bunch of photographs. It was difficult to get those night shots because I was fighting exposure levels against the cars on the bridge versus the lights down below. But you know, I have a new camera, and once I got comfortable with the manual mode, I was able to get some nicely exposed shots that definitely show the lamps curving over the horizon. And I was surprised. I actually was able to see 7 out of our 8 lamps. The closest lamp, obviously, I couldn't see because it was out of frame, but so I was able to see 7 miles worth of lamps, which is nice. It's actually good for future observations to know exactly how much distance I'm able to capture in the frame. So we will be sharing that information in future hangouts. We'll have them pre-scheduled so that people know they're coming, and you know, we have another good day of observations ahead of us, and we will be keeping you updated. I've been trying to share still frames on Twitter, at Skeptropolis on Twitter, and I've been using the hashtag #LTBX for the Little Tensas Bayou experiment. I'll just go ahead and keep using that LTBX just to make it easy on everyone, and we will catch up with you guys later. Oh, one final thing. We are thinking about doing a live stream at some point today, but it just has to all work out. So we'll see. It depends on how our work goes. It's kind of like our last priority thing to do, but we're going to try and do it. Unfortunately, yesterday we just had too much work going on, and we couldn't do it. So anyway, catch up with you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.